Hello guys, good morning. This is your content marketing assistant again. It's Ian, and right now we are live here at the MIAS, that is Manila International Auto Show. So it's happening here at SMX Convention Center, and right now iikot tayo. So tingnan natin yung buong event. So guys, as I around kanina, maganda yung marami silang booths, marami silang mga designs, marami silang mga invitations, and especially there are some brands na maglo-launch ngayon ng kanilang mga units. So guys, subscribe kayo, and then tingnan natin, libutin natin yung buong lugar, no? So also guys, meron silang auto show that's going to be on September 15 at 12 to 15 on Cebu. So that's on Cebu. So nag-i-invite na sila ngayon. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako, libutin natin yung buong area. Actually, hindi lang dito yung event place nila. We are here at right now at the SMX Convention Center, and meron silang second events place that's in World Trade Center. So meron silang mga shuttle. The shuttle is for free pagkasama kayo dito sa event. So the shuttle will be free. Pupunta kayo sa second location. So ito yung mga directions. So dito yung pinaka-ticketing booth nila. So sa adults that's 150, and sa senior is 120. What you need to have is, pag bumili kayo online, eto, tatatakan nila kayo ng stop. Pero pag bumili kayo ng ticket, within the ticket, so may bibigyan nila kayong ticket. So here guys, it's Uni-all. So yung mga, well, we all know, car enthusiasts, car lovers. So kailangan natin lagaan yung sasakyan natin with oils. So Yokohama, that's a tire brand. Thank you. So guys, welcome here at the Manila Auto Show. So what we're going to do here is lilibot tayo. So baka meron tayong followers, likers, and subscribers na naghahanap ng unit nila for their own. It's gonna be your daily use, your pickup. So we love pickups. And tingnan natin yung mga brands. So this is Honky. So guys, para dun sa mga mahilig mag-trail, we all know pickups is the best for trailing. So may accessories na siya sa taas. Pwede kayo mag-avail here. I think naka-package sila. So the first one get through is Photon. So as you can see right now guys, more likely na mga naka-display right now is what we call the latest, that's the hybrid version. So gas charge pero electric charge. What does it mean? So gasolina yung magpapatakbo pero it will charge by the electricity. So ganun na lahat ng mga unit ngayon kadalasan. Viastara. So if you're looking for a UV, marami silang entry right now. The JMC, we all know JMC is an American brand, pero No, matibay na talaga. Subok na. So we have here what brand is this? This is Pugot. Pugot. It's an SUV, guys. If you have time, come and visit. May mga hinahanap kayong cars. Meron din sila mga salesman dito. So they will assist you right now. So pwede kayo mag-stop by. So iikot tayo sa buong place of events. And as you can see here, materials. So gamit siya. So equipment for hiking. So yung mga mahilig ng outdoors dyan, meron dito. Mga gamit. So mga equipment for camping, everything is good. Trail bracing. So sa mga may kakilala dyan, husband, kuya, so I think this event is for them. So magugustuhan nila to. So budol is real pag pumunta kayo dito, guys, especially sa mga car enthusiasts. So quick serve, this is why YSSA quick serve is a suspension. So here, that one is a Tesla, okay? So libot muna tayo, guys. So golf carts. Here we have here the MG, the Morris Garage. So let's ask one of their if there's going to be on launch ng bagong unit nila. Launch ba sila ng unit? So may stage sila. So guys, pwede kayong mag-drop by here. Sadyain nyo, marami dito. Hindi lang siya pang pamilya rin siya. So yun na car guy, pero pang pamilya rin siya, guys. So tingnan natin, Morris Garage.
Yung kabin naman, di ba? Isang watt ka.
Ma'am, salesman kayo dito, ma'am? One of the salesman. Ma'am, okay lang. My name is Ian and I'm from Eureka. So we are digital marketing online marketing in the Philippines. Okay lang ba, ma'am? You're under Morris Garage, right? Okay lang ba, ma'am? Mabidyoan ko kayo na invite nyo lang sila dito na makapag-drop by sila dito sa atin. Kung okay lang. Bale, invite ko lang yung mga followers namin na mag-drop by dito sa inyong ano. Okay lang. Okay lang. Bibidyo na kitangin mo. Ma'am. Kung okay lang. Saglit lang, short line lang. Ano, as in, super brief lang, tas okay na yun.
Anong sabihin ko, sir? Anong sabihin ko, sir?
Invite na. Pakilala lang kayo, ma'am. Hello, my name is, and yung position nyo, tapos invite nyo lang sila.
And all those things you find here at the MG Philippines booth.
So guys, right now, okay no. So right now, guys, nandito tayo with Miss, ano pangalan nyo, ma'am? So with Miss M, she's a salesperson from Morris Garage. So i-invite niya tayo. So guys, pakinggan natin siya. Hello, ma'am. Invite nyo naman yung mga followers natin, ma'am.
Hello everyone, you can visit us here at
Amazing. And that's a huge need.
para makita yung mga bago na
That makes the MG Philippines
MG4,
the Lias Booth, which has the grandest and the most number of floors under a single brand.
see you here po.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And speaking of the biggest, MG
So may program sila right now,
has
guys.
the biggest exhibit area, which by the way is a total of 885 square meters. Wow, I mean, that's really the future of automobiles and the future of driving under one roof.
That's right. So if you are standing here in our area, you are part of history. You are actually in the largest booth here at MIA. So the Manila International Auto Show, of course, runs until April 7th. That's this Sunday. So come here, tell your friend, tell them, come to the biggest booth here at MIA. So drop by the SMX Convention Center and visit the MG Philippines booth. We have cars. Not only do we have cars, we have prizes and of course, loads of fun for everyone.
Now we want to get to the end.
So guys, mayroon silang mga pa-event. So, and drop by kayo. Especially Morris Garage. We all know that is one of the cheapest. They have the cheapest and entry-level cars here in the Philippines. So support natin sila guys. And libot pa tayo.
Now, actually, we are going to do the same. We'll give a quick tour of what's inside MG Philippines.
So Hot Wheels.
The cars that we
So
have
sa mga
on display
bata.
right now.
So see,
shall we do it?
Let's do it.
for also for family.
It's like a house where we're making this our home. It's like 885 square meter.
Let's go for it.
Yeah, so let's go take a look around. I'm gonna go over here. So let's start the MG right here with the vehicles that you can already reserve.
So not only cars guys, pero equipment. So here is SATA.
First off, we have here the MG Cyberster.
Yeah. So meron silang motorcycle lifter. Kompleto sila with tire changing tools, materials, and especially yung tools cabinet.
Roadster. So if you want to take a look, it's right here in bright red.
So vessels. So for packages, tools. This is Wiha. Omada. This is Omada. Yep. So, ikot lang tayo. We're just circling around. Marami sila dito and meron silang tires. This is Honky, guys. Honky. It's one in the new brands here in the Philippine market. So as you can see, napaka-slick ng mga designs nila. Kita natin. So guys, as you can see, right now, halos lahat ng naka-display na cars, it's always a futuristic type of grills. So, halos kadalasan ganyan yung mga grills nila. That's innovation guys. So, we all know naman what's the paano nagbago ang Philippine market when it comes to designs ng cars. So, vans, meron din sila. So, ikot lang tayo here.
Now, if you're looking for an ICE or an internal combustion engine vehicles, meaning they're the usual cars but runs on gas. So we have here the MG3, which by the way is one of the biggest or best value hatchbacks in the market right now. So guys, again, this one is packed with plenty of features which you can try on, or actually you can see it for yourself later on. So there you have it. Once again, the MG3.
Right here behind, if you want to check this out, you might be familiar with the MG1, which is right here because it was recently launched in February, so just a couple months ago. It's a sleek and sporty.
So guys, support nyo, MG. Ikot tayo, gawin doon. So, Ceres.
Like intelligent global modular
Sa kabila.
Naka-leather siya sa loob, guys. We all know, well, sa amin, sa mga poorly little things. So, we all know pagka ang kotse, it's leather yung loob. So, it's top of the line. So, lagi yun yung naiisip natin. So, well, that's the Philippine, consumer's mind. So, pag leather, it's top of the line. So right here, these accessories, lights. So guys, hindi lang siya about sa mga kundi pang business. So may mga vans, closed vans, and meron ding mas malalaking sasakyan. So this is we call minibus. Okay, a minibus. And guys, meron ako naging favorite spot dito, which is 2 spots. So, if you are a car guy, hindi mo po pwedeng hindi alam yung Chevrolet. So, what is the tawag dito? Ano ba yung tatatak pag sinabing Chevrolet? It's the Camaro. So guys, tingnan natin yung kanilang booth and tingnan natin yung kanilang latest labas ng Camaro. So, let's go. So, first one, this is the first generation Camaro here at the Chevrolet booth. So this is the first Chevrolet Camaro, and here is the latest Camaro. Yep. Mahilig po ako sa vintage car. So I love the first release of the Camaro. Gusto ko sila nakikita kasi ang ganda. So here naman, so may mga displays. This is Mercedes-Benz. I don't know if nabigyan ko ng katarungan yung brand. So Mercedes-Benz. I don't know. This is one of my favorite spots because of the vintage cars. So guys, pwede kayo pumunta dito. So may display din dito. Hi Kat. So guys, that's it for our live today. Again, we are here at the SMX Convention Center at the Manila International Auto Show. And guys, isa pa lang to sa mga events days. So may second events days that's happening in World Trade Center. So meron sila free na tawag doon. May free shuttle if you are going to be here. May free shuttle if gusto mo pumunta dun sa other venue. So guys, please, before I end this live, please like, share, and subscribe Eureka. And also, ikwento nyo na rin sa mga kaibigan nyo what is Eureka. So guys, see you until the next live. Bye-bye!